Alright guys, I have a somewhat review build sheet of a board I got in. It's a group buy board. It's called the Walletburner Neuron. Thick, fat aluminum case with a big brass weight on the bottom. And I went the brass plate option. And then also I got some foam from a guy in the 40% Community's Etsy store that you sandwich between the plate and the PCB. It just adds better typing experience to it. So the keycaps I went with were GMK paperwork. The case was pink. This was actually the very last one left out of all the boards. I'm not sure how many total there were. Maybe 30, 50, maybe more. But not a whole lot. But the whole bottom is a brass weight. You can see it says Neuron, and it's a really nice board. It's a top mount board. The plate mounts to the top. The plate was really thick, nice chunky board. Here we'll go to the the page of it right here from Walletburner. So the board itself without a plate was $210. Then I bought a brass plate, which was $40, and it came with a PCB. So that's not bad. And it had options. You can get foam. See, there's the foam. It had a polycarbonate version. Here's all the colors. It had pink, red, what they called that one, Cool Ranch. They called this one Bushido Red, and this Drank, that purple Drank. But no, it's an excellent keyboard. I use it as my secondary keyboard. I really like it. So the switches I used were gateron ink blacks, lubed with Turbosis 3204, and filmed them with TX films. And it's a really nice board. I'm happy. I actually have the build of it on my YouTube channel. It's like about an hour long of me soldering it and everything like that. And I put some temporary keycaps on that one until I was waiting for GMK paperwork to come in. But I think it goes really well with it. I mean, it looks really well on the board. It's with the pink case. But yeah, it's a sweet sounding board. So yeah, I'll end the video off with a sound test and hope you like it. Bye.